Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on pollination, and this question was taken from the 2018 March DEKZN exam. So let's jump in. The electron micrographs below show pollen grains from two different plants. So here we have this A is this pollen grain here that's got a spiky appearance, and the pollen grains in B have these very rounded or round-like appearance. So 3.3.1. Define the term pollination. Right, pollination refers to reproduction in plants, and specifically here it is the transfer of pollen from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma. So the male part is known as the anther and the female part is the stigma. And that's pollination. 3.3.2. Explain an observable feature of pollen grain A that makes it suited for pollination by animals. Right, so looking at pollen grain A, we can see it's got a very spiky appearance, and this spiky appearance actually allows it to attach itself to the body covering of an animal, so like its fur or feathers or something that covers the animal. It's different type of body covering. So the observable feature we're going to say is a spiky appearance. Spiky appearance. And that is to attach itself to the body covering of animals. And that's it. But before I go, I'd just like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them down in the description below. Also, be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.